Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in today's video we're gonna be and what? In today's video we're gonna be talking about lighting. So I've been doing my research about types of light to use to enhance my YouTube videos, and I saw ring lights and soft boxes. I've not really heard of soft boxes before. I mean, this is my first time, but yeah, I was like, let me give it a go and see how it actually looks, because this UK weather before you see sun you sweat. Anyways, I was looking into different lightings like softbox, ring light, like I said earlier on. I don't know, I'm repeating myself, but you know, you get the message. But yeah, I got it off eBay. I think they sell it cheaper on there. I've tried the soft boxes. The soft boxes are really expensive. I don't know why, but the ring lights, they were like £10, £8, you know, around that range. I mean, you can see some that are like more quality, like they are actually £24, £30, even £40 for a ring light. Please, I'm gonna buy my £6 one. The delivery arrived today, and I said let me share it with you guys. Yeah, I don't know what this one is. This is probably the ring light or the soft box. I don't know which is which. I know I got two of them, but let's find out. Where's my scissors? Oh, so I got my scissors. Time to open it up. Ooh. You know what? I'm just going to show you guys how it actually works. Okay, so far so good. This is how much I've opened, and I don't know what this is meant to be. I guess back of the packaging to keep it all secure. So there's a smaller box in it. How is it where I can zoom out? Oh god. Anyways, there's a smaller box inside of it. This should be my ring light, not gonna lie. I mean, it looks quite small, to be honest. If you're getting annoyed at this point at me opening the things up, just skip the video to the ending. Okay, not the ending obviously, but like just skip ahead. And yeah, but I mean, this is a review video, so you're gonna see, you have to see everything. Ooh, this is pretty. Wow. I think this is for the phone, so you have to put your phone in. And some other equipment. I don't know what this, I think it's also for another phone or with spare parts. I don't know what it is. We'll figure it out. It comes with a manual, so that's a good thing. And some other mechanisms. I think this is a remote control. Oh wow, fancy much. And some other parts that I do not know how to assemble. Okay, that's it for the ring light. Actually, probably not. There's something else. Yeah, I got a stand as well. So we're gonna assemble this together, and oh, fancy. We're gonna assemble this together and, you know, set it up basically. Okay. Okay, this should go in here, whether it likes it or not. This should follow. Whether it likes it or not. Oh, okay, we're getting it together. Okay, you can bend it however you want. Interesting. Okay, my bad. Yes. Wow. Oh wow, can you see a difference? So at this point, I'm gonna film with my ring light, cause why not? Yeah. And this is the softbox unboxing. Softbox unboxing. That's a nice thing to say. Okay. I'm just gonna get everything out of the box first. Then we'll look at what's inside. Okay, 2 of those. Some long something. Okay, 2 of those. Some other long something. Hi, equipment are heavy. Chineke. Okay, let's see. Let's start with this one. Let's start with the small ones, okay? Let's start with the small ones. I think I'm gonna keep this. Oh, okay. That's some big ball. Oh, I'm scared. This is some huge ball, man. I'm sorry. I didn't expect it to be this big. It's bigger than my head. Come on, man. What? Okay, okay, okay. I guess there are 2 of those. I guess that's what's in this one as well. You know what? Let me open it up as well. Yep. 2 of those. Okay. What's in this one? Let's find out. another stand. Drop that here, move on. I think this is the second stand. Okay, open that up. Tighten that up. And I'm guessing these are the soft boxes. I hope they're not too big because me not get space. Okay. 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 Interesting. Wow. And this is what the white thingy was for. So this is how my setup looks. I got the softbox on this side, another one on this side, and my ring light here. And this is how it looks without the light on. Yeah. Look at the snack. After all that hard work, please. So this is me without any lighting. Just natural lighting, that's if there's any outside. Yeah. It's kinda getting dark because obviously the weather changes. And minus that, it's already getting to like evening or something like that. But yeah. This is with the ring light on. So this is how I look with the ring light on. Yeah. This is with one soft box. Ooh! What? Oh my goodness. What? Okay. Now, 2 soft boxes on. God said let there be light. And there was light. Oh my days. I'm kind of like holding it because it keeps on. It's not stable. I guess this is the position I kept it in. Okay, I just made it worse. Anyway. Okay, yeah, that's better. Wow. This is splendid. I like what I'm seeing. I like what I'm seeing a lot. I don't know, I'm so gassed. But I'm really excited. I come to do videos for you guys, man. What's this all about? Okay, so this is it without the ring light. So just the 2 soft boxes on, no ring light. Someone can actually get away with this one, you know, like with just the 2 soft boxes. Someone can actually get away with it. But I like it with the ring light actually. It just puts everything together, like it just marries everything together. You get what I mean? So this is with the ring light. Yeah. Oh, this is my top. Come on now. This is not my size. Why is it falling off? So this is it with the ring light. Let me try it with ring lights and 1 softbox. So let me turn one off. 1 softbox. Okay. Okay. Still nice. Let me alternate. Here we go. When it comes on, it still gets dark a bit and then it gets lighter. I don't know if you guys notice the transition. You can just replay it and see what I'm talking about. Okay. I like him to do oh, splendid, splendid. This is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. Now this is quality. This is actually quality. Imagine me doing my makeup on this lighting. Oh my god. YouTube, it's over for you. It is over for you people. I've arrived. Okay, what's this? No, tell me, what's this? Please, thank you. So this is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you liked it as well. Don't forget to like as usual. Let's give a thumbs up and share this video with anyone that's looking into to improve their quality. Mind you, I don't have a camera. I'm using my phone camera and it's giving me this much of a quality video. Like I look like I'm in some new housewife of Atlanta or something like that. Literally just with my iPhone, and it's iPhone 7 Plus. It's not even the latest iPhone, you know. And imagine if I use like an iPhone X or like iPhone 12, like, or an actual camera. What the hell, man? You guys need to invest in these equipments at least, you know. I know the softbox can be a bit too much because it's quite big. It's really big actually. But yeah, you can't really talk about space because I live in the smallest room, the smallest apartment ever. I live in a studio. You know how the studios are in UK? Yeah, that's where I live. So space is not one of the, you know, one of my blessings right now. And I could still squeeze in my softbox. So space is not an excuse. I'm sorry, it's not an excuse. Well, money on the other hand is an excuse. If you don't have money for it, you can go for a cheaper alternative, obviously, you know. But if you have the money and you're looking to like step up your game, you know, to make your video look more quality, then I suggest you invest in a soft box. Cause honey, look at this quality. Nah. Anyways, see you guys in my next video. Bye.